So after almost an hour walk going up sa Bluff Regional Trail Park, ito na yung view na makikita mo. Ayan, airport area. Ito yung Aurora downtown, and then ito yung Denver downtown. Ganda. Ito na yung west side wherein yung mga mountains makikita mo.